Guys, this 14 Passat has a problem with the ignition switch. Sometimes the key won't come on or car won't start, won't crank. So we're gonna do the electrical part of the ignition switch here in the rear. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. So first thing, let's remove this cover. Right up. Now turn the wheel so you could get to the T25 Torx right here. Okay, let's turn it the other way. Get the other one. See it there. And then there's another one at the bottom here. That one. Let's go ahead and take that one out too. Oh, it's missing. Okay, one is missing. So good. Let's take the cover right off right here. Okay, ignition switch is here. The electrical part is right here. Let me go ahead and disconnect the connector here. You gotta push the tab. Oh, look at that, guys! Came right out. Look at that. Usually, you gotta push these tabs. One here, and the other one here. See the two tabs, one on each side with a screwdriver. You push them, one here, push them, and this comes right out. Okay, I got the little harness for this solenoid here for the shift lock. I got it through there for now. Let's plug this thing on the second slot to the right there. Okay, good. I'll do this one last. Okay. Okay, guys, one thing to know, the switch goes like this. So you see the two little notches here? They go up. So the switch is gonna go like this into the slots. So when you bring the harness in right here, this harness, right there, I gotta sneak it out of there. Make sure the two little slots are facing up. And then, so when you put it here in the little bracket here, this thing gonna slide right into it. So make sure that connector, the connector little slots there are facing up. So when you slide this, it will slide right into the little connector that will go into this little notch here, right there. Okay, right there. Okay, guys, now try to put the electrical part, which is this one. Put it in and turn the key, wiggle the key until it matches with this right here. Okay? And that's that. Okay, turn the key on so you can match the little slot that goes in here. Okay, there's like a pin here, the flat pin that goes behind this. Wiggle the key until it matches and falls into the hole right here. And then just snap it in place, all right? And now you plug it back in from the back, okay? Okay, and make sure it works. It works, car cranks. Okay, done. Guys, thumb up if you like the video, subscribe if you haven't.